Okay, last but one modification really, and the other modification is to change the tube holder for proper adjustable brackets at some point. There's no rush, I've already aligned the tube in the back there so it's bang on, but yeah, we'll do that at some point. So I was never really happy with this laser pointer because, as you probably saw in the other videos, if it ever becomes loose it will drop down and foul this. I've already had to modify it slightly, so I've removed that and I've pulled the wiring out from here and pulled it all the way out of the machine. You can see it's just down there, and inside all I've done is heat shrink the connections, which strangely were not soldered, they were just twisted together at that end, but yeah, whatever. And we've just finished off the wiring there for the power meter, so that is all nice and secure. The heat shrinks can stop those bullet connections coming out, but if I ever wanted to, I can just pull them out and change the meter if anything dire should ever go wrong. So that's pretty much everything we're going to be doing with this. We can actually get on now and do some work. But something to be careful of is this micro switch here. It's held in place with one screw there, and I've obviously just knocked this slightly when I was moving this around, and it wouldn't trigger when it was resetting back to this position. So it was just butting up against the end. So yeah, if that happens, just rotate this back to the correct position and then tighten that single screw up there. So yeah, there we go, all done, and hopefully onwards with some work. Oh, also removing all of that bracket has got rid of some weight from this head as well, so that's also a nice benefit of ditching that.